Hi guys, welcome to NJX, and today's topic is how to change the profile photo in Google account across your Google services like Gmail, YouTube. So guys, without wasting time, let's get started. Now let's open Chrome. Yeah, and you can see here in the top right corner the icon. Click on that, and guys, you can see a manage your Google account. Click on that, and you can see guys, I like this page. So when I go like this, you can see people are sharing. Click on people and sharing and scroll down, and you can see choose what does it see about me. Click on that. Yeah, guys, in the basic info you can see the profile photo option. Click on that. Yeah, we can see add a profile photo. Click on that. So guys, I'm gonna upload a photo. So you can see Messi's photo. So it's uploading. So I'm gonna just make the size of the Messi's photo big. Yeah, I'm gonna click on set test profile photo. Just refresh it guys, and guys you can see profile photo is set as the message photo. So guys, check guys, now you can see it's a profile photo. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. We'll be coming soon with amazing videos.